Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new folder and add it to your project on Basecamp in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your account on Basecamp, log into it and access your project. Now, if you just started your project, you will see these options here like message board, to-dos, docs and files. So to create a folder and to store your files and documents there, click into this button, add docs and files. And after that, you will see this notification because there hasn't been added any file yet. So first we need to create a folder. To do that, click into that plus button here, select make a new folder, give it a title like my example folder 01, for instance, and then click into save. And you will see your folder here. Now, if you click into it, you will be given the opportunity to store files here in your folder by clicking into upload files. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.